Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the device. Install or enable the voice access accessibility service, and then immediately download the matching offline language pack. Once done, grant microphone and accessibility permissions so voice access can intercept commands locally. Make sure to check for the on-device recognition option inside the app or system accessibility settings and toggle it on. This forces processing to remain offline. You're not just enabling features. You're pointing the app to use its on-device speech engine now, which is the only offline path. Next, you configure the on-device engine to handle live commands. Open voice access settings and choose the on-device or offline speech recognition option, then explicitly select the language pack you downloaded. Confirm the app shows offline or local processing. Once selected, tune command sensitivity and command timeout so recognition feels natural for your voice and noise conditions. Try a few short commands aloud to validate response. If it reacts, you've routed speech completely offline and can proceed to daily use. To finish, run the built-in test or say a sequence of commands to train and confirm offline behavior. The app often reports local processing. If recognition fails, reboot first, then re-download the language pack and re-grant permissions. Make sure battery or data-saving modes aren't restricting background services. If problems persist, toggle the voice access accessibility service off and back on, then repeat the test commands. That single troubleshooting step resolves most issues because it forces the system to reload the local speech engine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.